Hi, I'm Crystal Perhoso. I'm 17 years old, and I was born on July 20, 2007. I live at Barangay Kotkot, Liloan City. I love to dance. Dancing always been a big part of my life, and this is my story about how I found my love for dance and when. I hope it takes me. I started when I was really little, maybe 4 or 5. I was a shy kid. I loved music, but I was too scared of anyone. My best friend Jennifer was a dancer, and I secretly watched her practice. She was so graceful. My family wasn't rich, but they always supported my dreams. My mom put me in a class, and I loved it. I made a lot of friends in dance class. We helped each other practice together and cheered each other on. My best friend, Jennifer Andros, is also a dancer. We push each other to do better. Besides dancing, I like cooking and listening music. I love to learn new things and I'm always looking for new dance videos online. Learning new dance move is hard sometimes. I get frustrated when I cannot do something right away, but I keep trying. My biggest dream was getting lead role in a dance recital last year. It was scary but amazing. Dance became more than just a hobby. It helped me make friends and it helped me feel confident. But sometimes it hurts. Practicing can be tiring and learning new steps can be tricky. But I never give up because dancing makes me happy. It way for me to express myself, to tell my story without words, and I can't wait to see what new moves I learn. I believe in hard working and dedication. I think it's important to be kind and supportive of others, and believe that can dance make people happy. I want to be a professional dancer someday. I dream of performing on a big stage and traveling through the world. I also want to teach dance to kids someday. My dance journey is just beginning. There will be more challenge, but I know I'll keep dancing because it's made me happy. It's a big part of who I am.